Canadian dairy farms are ramping up surveillance after a new strain of bird flu was found in U.S. cattle.
We shouldn't panic. We have to watch out and try to keep birds away from the cattle and away from the feed. They're testing the animals coming in, testing milk.
The H5N1 virus has sickened dozens of people and millions of birds in the United States. But there's new concern after dairy cattle in Nevada were infected. Officials reporting milk samples detected the D1.1 variant of the virus.
Once it is in our dairy herds, it can cause significant amounts of damage.
In the U.S., the virus is reducing milk production and sending egg prices skyrocketing. So valuable that thieves stole 100,000 eggs in a Pennsylvania heist. A threat to food security, but also a concern for public health.
What's a bit unnerving is there's been a couple of cases, one in Canada and another in the United States, where it's not entirely clear what the source of infection was.
The D1.1 strain is the same version that landed a BC teenager in intensive care in November. The first human case of this variant caught in Canada. Health officials still don't know how she caught it. And in Louisiana, a man died after contracting the same strain.
We are now seeing multiple spillovers occurring in those dairy cattle.
This virologist says the risk is currently low to people who don't work with birds, but warns the illness could eventually spread between humans.
That is a potential pandemic in the making, and then the clock is really ticking to contain that initial cluster of cases before it can spread outward into the human population.
Infectious disease doctors say continuing milk testing is critical to stop any cases from spreading to humans. Alexander Silberman, CBC News, Toronto.